I'm Dr. Dinesh. I'm working as an Ayurvedic consultant with Sri Sri Tota Panchkarma. So, we are today dealing with a topic called arthritis. I think most of you must have heard about arthritis at one point or another. And most of the times, whenever we are telling about arthritis, what will come to our mind is a person who is in the age of 50s or 50 plus with a body ache, things like that. But the current scenario changed very much. Nowadays, what we are seeing is like even the people in the age of 20, 21, they are coming to us for a problem of arthritis. It may be because of their food, it may be because of their life habits, or else maybe because of their nutrition. This all may be the problem. So, what arthritis basically means is like a joint with a inflammation. So along with the inflammation, there will be a pain, there will be a burning sensation, there may be a redness, many symptoms will come. So arthritis, treating it early is very much important. So in a normal scenario, in an arthritis, what will happen is like arthritis won't come within 1 day or two. It is having a progression of its own. So basically, the person will feel a dull pain or ache in their any of the joints. It may be your knee, it may be your hand, it may be your shoulder, anywhere. So after this pain starts, most of the people will neglect it because it is not creating any problem as of now. After a period of time, it will advance and it will come like once in a month, then 2 times in a month, then once in a week, 2 times in a week. So this is the scenario where the person will get alarmed. So what he will do is like he will go to a doctor and mostly allopathic doctor, and he will take some medicines, basically some painkillers he will take. So once he will take the painkillers, he will be perfectly fine. Then after a period of time, one tablet won't be sufficient. So he will take 2 tablets. And after a period of time, these 2 tablets won't be sufficient. So he will start with a bit amount of steroids. So once the person will start with a steroid, there will be some side effects will be there. So once the side effects will come, the person will think about going to an Ayurvedic doctor. So basically, they will come to an Ayurvedic doctor and they will explain their history. In Sri Sri Tattva, actually, what we will do is like we will check their pulse first. We will say as a Nadi Pariksha, like that we will say. So in this, we will come to know what is the things which is happening inside the body and what is the condition of three doshas inside. So according to that, we will give some medicines, we will tell some of the diet changes, some treatments if necessary, like that we will do. But along with that, we will tell them to completely cure it. It will take you around 6 months to 1 year. And the funny part is like by hearing this 6 months to 1 year, around 40% of the people will run away. And they will start with their own steroids and everything. And after a period of time, steroids also won't work. And most of the doctors will search for a joint replacement. So in this condition, they will come to us again. Once more, they will come. And they will say like, we don't want to go for a surgery. We want to try Ayurveda. So again, the same scenario will happen. We will give the medications and everything. But the time limit will change. So previously, if we told around 1 year or something, it will be like a 1.5 year or 2 years, we will say, to get into proper health. And we won't tell like we will treat 100% because some of the conditions, when the time they will come to us, the condition is so much worse that we don't have any joint left to treat basically. So who are in medical profession, they can understand what means this joint is not left basically means. So this is the condition also we will try to treat, and most of the times there will be a very good results. And in our center, we had many guests who came without any hope, but they went with a good health as well. So the reason behind I am telling this is like, first is don't neglect Ayurveda as a last option. So the same scenario, just think about it. Instead of going to the allopathic doctor for a painkiller basically means it is fooling our own system. So instead of the pain, what indicate is like there is something wrong in your body, please treat it. So instead of treating it, we are just fooling the body by suppressing the pain. So if in the first scenario, when you are about to go to allopathic doctor, the same scenario will come to us. The condition won't be that much worse. Second thing, we don't want to go for much complicated situations, as well as it will be very easy to treat as well. And the second scenario is like, reason is like, when you start taking steroids, the other medicines won't work. Basically, steroids is the last option. So other medicines won't work. So even if our medicine should work, it will take a longer period of time, because steroids are something that we can't stop in one day or so. So this is the first group of people who will come to us. Second group is like who believes in Ayurveda, but they will misguided somewhere. Basically, they will see YouTube, Facebook, some channels, and they will start experimenting of their own. If any pain will come, they will start applying some oil. They will make some decoction of them by themselves, and they will take. Some of the times it may work, but most of the times it won't work. Basically, it will create a opposite reaction. The pain will increase. The reason behind is like arthritis is a vast topic. Basically, in the arthritis also, we are having many divisions. Basically, we are having osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, gouty arthritis, like that, many varieties are there. If you are applying the oil in osteoarthritis, it is perfectly fine. You will get good results. But only with that, you won't get cured, but you will feel better. But if you are applying the oil in rheumatoid arthritis, your pain will increase. And same with the gouty arthritis. So at that time, you will think like Ayurveda don't work. It is not about Ayurveda that don't work. It is basically the treatment that you are doing is opposite to that what you are supposed to. So this is the second scenario. So in Sri Kshetra Panchakarma, we are conducting a webinar on arthritis. In this, we are telling you what is basically arthritis, and we are telling you what are the myths, what are the facts, what all you should do. This all will be conducted in the webinar. And along with that, what are the types of arthritis, what are the diet, what are the medications, what are the home remedies for each arthritis. It is not like we are giving in a common way. It is like for each arthritis, what all things, what we should do, that we will mention. Along with that, we are having mudras, we will tell you, as well as basic yoga postures will help to strengthen the body. This all will be there. So we are conducting this webinar on 19th of this month. I am welcoming you all for this webinar to understand what is arthritis in an Ayurvedic perspective and how to treat it properly in home to an extent. I won't tell like you will get 100% cure by doing only home remedies. Proper consultation, a diagnosis from a qualified physician, all are important, but you will get an idea actually what you are suffering from. So hope to see you all there on 19th of this month. Thank you.